Using Affirm on Expedia is a convenient way to book your travel plans and pay for them over time. To get started, first go to the Expedia website or mobile app and begin searching for your flight, hotel, or package deal. Once you have selected your travel options, proceed to the checkout page where you will see the payment options. Select Affirm as your payment method and you will be redirected to the Affirm website to complete your application. You will need to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, phone number, and date of birth. You will also need to create an account with Affirm if you do not already have one. Once you have completed the application, Affirm will provide you with a loan offer that includes the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment terms. Review the terms carefully to make sure you understand how much you will be paying each month and for how long. If you accept the loan offer, you will be redirected back to the Expedia website to complete your booking. Your loan will be used to pay for your travel plans and you can start making payments to Affirm according to the repayment terms. It is essential to make your payments on time to avoid late fees and interest charges. You can set up automatic payments or make manual payments through the Affirm website or mobile app. Keep in mind that using Affirm may affect your credit score, so make sure you understand the terms and conditions before applying. To get the most out of using Affirm on Expedia, make sure to read and understand the loan offer carefully before accepting it. Also, consider setting up automatic payments to ensure you never miss a payment. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Affirm on Expedia to book your travel plans and pay for them over time in a convenient and manageable way.